In the heart of Dubai, a city that rose from sand to sky, lives one of the most admired, elegant, and mysterious royal figures in the world. A woman whose beauty, intelligence, and grace have captured millions of hearts across the globe. Her name is Sheikha Mahra bint Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the daughter of Dubai's ruler, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. But behind the glittering palace walls and luxury cars lies a story of purpose, tradition, and a life unlike any other. She's not just a princess, she's a symbol of the modern Arab woman, blending tradition with independence, royalty with compassion, and power with humility. Before we explore the secret world of Sheikha Mahra, her hidden passions, lavish lifestyle, and incredible influence, make sure to subscribe for more royal stories from the world's most fascinating families. Now, let's step into her extraordinary world, a world where wealth meets wisdom and luxury becomes a way of life. Born into one of the richest families on earth, Sheikha Mahra was destined for greatness from the moment she entered the world. Her father, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid, is not only the ruler of Dubai but also the visionary behind its transformation, turning a small desert emirate into a futuristic global powerhouse. And Mahra, as his daughter, grew up surrounded by this same vision, innovation, discipline, and elegance in every detail of life. Her childhood was unlike any other. Instead of playgrounds, she had private gardens larger than city parks. Instead of toys, she was surrounded by Arabian horses, falcons, and artworks from every corner of the world. From a young age, Sheikha Mahra showed a deep love for culture, animals, and community, traits that would later define her unique role in the royal family. But Sheikha Mahra isn't a princess who simply hides behind palace walls. Unlike many royals, she's chosen to live a life of openness and connection. Through social media, she gives the world a glimpse into her royal reality, from her fashionable appearances to moments of simplicity that reveal her down-to-earth nature. She's known for her graceful beauty, always elegant, always modest, blending traditional Emirati fashion with modern touches. Her signature abayas, often hand-embroidered with gold or adorned with diamonds, reflect her refined taste. Yet behind that polished appearance is a personality that radiates kindness, humility, and confidence. Her education is just as impressive. Sheikha Mahra holds degrees in international relations and leadership, studying at some of the most prestigious universities in London and Dubai. Her intellect and understanding of global affairs have made her a respected voice in discussions about women's empowerment, culture, and the future of the UAE. But let's talk about her lifestyle, because when you're the daughter of one of the wealthiest rulers in the world, luxury becomes an everyday reality. Her residences are architectural masterpieces, palaces that blend Arabian tradition with ultra-modern design. Imagine chandeliers made of Swarovski crystals, walls lined with Italian marble, and private terraces overlooking Dubai's skyline. One of her family's estates near Zabil Palace spans over several acres, featuring royal stables, private fountains, and lush gardens that feel like a dream from 1001 Nights. Her fleet of cars, beyond imagination. From gold-plated Rolls-Royces and Lamborghinis to custom Bentleys designed exclusively for her family, every vehicle reflects her class and taste. But interestingly, Sheikha Mahra is known for driving herself, often spotted behind the wheel, proving that she values independence even within her royal comfort. When it comes to fashion and luxury, Sheikha Mahra's wardrobe is the definition of timeless elegance. She supports Emirati designers and promotes sustainable luxury, preferring authenticity over extravagance. Her jewelry collection includes rare pieces from Cartier, Van Cleef & Arpels, and Tiffany & Company, yet she wears them with subtlety, never as a display of wealth but as an expression of refinement. Her love for animals is one of her most admired traits. Sheikha Mahra is passionate about horses, a love deeply rooted in Emirati heritage. She owns and cares for some of the most magnificent Arabian horses in the world, often participating in equestrian events and supporting animal welfare organizations. Her bond with her horses reflects a softer side, one that values compassion and respect for life. And while her wealth could allow for endless indulgence, Sheikha Mahra uses her privilege for a greater purpose. She's heavily involved in charity and humanitarian work, supporting projects that empower women, help children, and promote education across the Middle East. Whether visiting hospitals, funding schools, or attending cultural initiatives, she remains grounded and sincere, a true princess with a heart for people. Her public appearances are rare, but when they happen, they make headlines. She often attends royal ceremonies, national celebrations, and cultural festivals, where her grace and presence captivate everyone around. In a world where many royal figures remain distant, Sheikha Mahra stands out for her authenticity and connection to her people. But perhaps the most intriguing part of Sheikha Mahra's life is her privacy. Despite her growing fame, she maintains a delicate balance, sharing glimpses of her world while keeping her personal life sacred. This mystery only adds to her allure, making her one of the most fascinating royal women of our time. Her social influence is undeniable. Millions admire her not just for her wealth, but for what she represents, a new era of Arab royalty that's educated, empowered, and engaged with the world. She's redefined what it means to be a princess, not someone locked away in luxury, but a leader shaping her nation's image with elegance and strength. Her recent marriage to Sheikh Mana bin Mohammed bin Rashid bin Mana Al Maktoum further expanded the royal legacy, uniting two powerful branches of Dubai's ruling family. Their wedding, one of the most talked about royal events in the Middle East, was a blend of tradition, glamour, and heartfelt celebration. Photos and clips from the event showed her glowing in stunning custom-made gowns, surrounded by family, friends, and international dignitaries. Together, the royal couple continues to represent the vision of a new Dubai, a generation of leaders who are both proud of their roots and ready for the world stage. From her love for art and culture to her deep sense of duty and compassion, Sheikha Mahra embodies everything that makes Dubai extraordinary: ambition, elegance, and heart. When you look at her life, it's not just about luxury, it's about legacy. It's about carrying forward the values of her father: leadership, generosity, and innovation, while inspiring a new generation of women across the world. She's proof that true royalty isn't defined by diamonds or gold, but by grace, character, and purpose. Because while the world sees the glitter of Dubai, Sheikha Mahra reminds us of its soul, a kingdom built not only on wealth but on wisdom, vision, and humanity. So, the next time you see the skyline of Dubai shining under the desert sun, remember, behind those towers stands a princess whose story continues to inspire millions. And if you enjoyed this journey into the secret and luxurious life of Sheikha Mahra, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more royal stories that reveal the untold side of the world's most powerful families.